how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Want to delete your Instagram account permanently, but not sure how? Watch this entire video and I'll show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account step by step. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner and select Account Center. From there, tap Personal Details. Then choose Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the account you want to delete. Choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Finally, select your reason for deleting the account and tap Continue again to complete the process. Instagram may offer alternative solutions based on your reason. If you're sure, tap Continue again. Now read the information provided, scroll down, and tap Continue. Now enter your Instagram password and tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete Account to confirm. Your deletion request is now submitted. Instagram will permanently delete your account after 30 days. If you log back in during that time, the deletion will be canceled. That's all it takes to delete your Instagram account. Want tutorials for a different social media platform? Watch this tutorial next. Just click the video on your screen now. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials every day.